being a woman in the music industry can sometimes be quite isolating. Like sometimes you end up in a room full of men and your ideas aren't listened to.
As an artist, thank you. I always felt like I missed community.
I think we need more live gigs for female artists.
This email came through and it said about Amplify Her and to come and to this, I think it was a coffee morning. So that was the first event I came to back, well, more than a year ago now.
Like one of the main reasons I came to the cocktail event the other month was trying to find female producers to work with. I found 2 different female producers that I'm working with, and that's really like such a good environment to be in, and it's just really great to work with other women.
Look to other women in the music industry, people who you might feel like they're 10 steps ahead of you, you might feel like they're behind you, and I think acknowledging people, encouraging them, and just enjoying the fact that we're in this crazy creative world where we can make things from our brains into reality and share them in a room full of people is like, that's magic.
It was amazing. It was extremely comforting to be around with loads of women who are there for the same thing. Really special and unique to be able to come of a group of people who are so like-minded and have had so many of the same lived experiences. But I think Amplify Her is a really welcoming and necessary space for women in the industry. This is my first night. I've shown up, didn't know a single person, and I've had everybody singing my song back to me. Amplify Her is a really, really good opportunity for women to actually have their own space to follow music and also to get encouragement from each other.
It's such a community of people, and I'm looking forward to like going and talking to people later and things like that. So as always, I love an Amplify Her title. So
And it's an homage to say to all of you out there that we can have it all.